Good morning, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. I want to share with you a project that we got going on, and I want to bring some knowledge to the community. I'm sure no one else is really doing what we're doing with these hybrid batteries, and we discovered something on a last repair, so I want to share it. This pertains to 2020 through 2025. It probably goes later than that. Ford Escape hybrids, and this has to do with the hybrid battery. So what we're starting to see a lot more of are the earlier 2021 through 2022 Ford Escape hybrids, the hybrid batteries failing. And the battery from Ford is about $3,000 our cost to do it. So that puts the cost around $4,000 to a client. And we're starting to see these fail a little bit outside of the warranty period. So it's something that I figured it's worth discussing now. This is the hybrid battery. I'm going to show it to you. What we did for a client was we were able to find a 2023 hybrid battery to swap into a 2021 Escape. And the reason we wanted to try that was the one we found only had 7,000 miles on it. It was a really good price and it should be compatible. But I want to show you what we learned. So let me show you the battery first. Okay, this is a 2020 Ford Escape hybrid battery. This is mounted up underneath the car. This is not the plug-in, this is the traditional hybrid. And this is mounted under the floorboard of the passenger side. And if you look up under the car, you take down the cover, this is the part that you will see. This is the high voltage connection right here, and this is the data link connection to the BMS. Now, when you remove this, it's only 4 bolts to take this out. There's 2 coolant lines over here that you can see. We got these plugged up. I'm leaking a little bit, but it is a liquid-cooled hybrid battery, which is not something we see a lot of, but Ford started doing this. So I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to tell you, when we installed this car, when we first installed this battery, it did not work. Actually, the car was not very happy with it at all. We tried to flash in the as-built data to it, and it would not take it, and it was actually rejecting the BECM. Now, what is the BECM? This is the BECM. This is the brain of the battery, and this normally mounts right here. Okay, and you can see all these electrical connectors. Each one of these connectors goes to the individual cells in the battery. This is the hybrid battery here. These are the cell banks, and these are 0.53 kilowatts each. So this is a 1.06 kilowatt battery. And these are the contactor assembly over here. And this is the brain. So here's what we did. Here's what we learned. And this is what the whole video is about. Okay, let me get myself up here. All right, the whole point of this was if you try to put a 2022 or 2023 Ford Escape hybrid battery into the older 2020 and 2021, it doesn't work. It wouldn't take. In the past, we've made the 2022s work in 2020s, but we have not tried the 2023. Now, if you know, 2023 is the active hybrid, so there are some differences, but physically the battery is the same. Everything plugged in, but the computer did not like it. So we had to go back, we lowered the battery back out, we took the BECM out of the original battery, so that's why this one's been removed, and we put that BECM into the 2023 pack. Literally just unplugged it, bolted it back in, plugged it back in, reinstalled the battery into the car. Everything was good. Car was very, very happy with that. And it ran much, much better. We did not have to program the car either. We thought when we put in this 2023 battery, we're gonna have to reflash it. We tried, did not take it. So I don't know what the difference is between the BECMs, between the 2021s and 2023s. Maybe someone can comment below. They do have a different part number. You can see here that this one is an N9 or NZ68. The one that it wanted was a K8 something. So there was a different part number, but like I said, it bolted in. We got the battery into the car, back to the customer, saved them a bunch of money by going the used route. So this video just proves that you can put in a 2023 Ford Escape hybrid battery into the older cars as long as you swap over the BECM. That's going to be the key to it. No program necessary. If you don't want to take it on yourself and you need me to swap out your hybrid battery in your Ford Escape or any other hybrid for that reason, you can reach out to me. 615-802-5550. See me online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com or come see me in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Hope to see you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll keep putting out more interesting content like this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.